Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this 1965 MGB Roadster, finished in black, which is quite unusual for an MGB, but I have to say suits the car very well. Certainly these early cars don't often see them in black. Lovely looking car, great with the red leather interior, which I'll come to in a moment. As you can probably see, the bodywork is all in really outstanding condition. There is a little plate underneath the bonnet that attests to the fact the car was restored by Sheriff Restorations. Not somebody that we know, but they have done an excellent job. Being an early car, it's got the slightly different rear lights, but it may well have been a reshell. Because obviously it's got the reversing lights, which you wouldn't necessarily expect on an early car. Car sits on wire wheels, shod with quality tyres, or with loads of tread left on them. As I say, as I go around the bodywork, there's nothing really of any consequence at all. It's all really solid, excellent paint finish. Overall impression is really positive. Just have a quick look at the interior. As mentioned, finished in red leather, which I think works really well with the black. It's got this nice period motor steering wheel. It's showing 22,000 miles. That may well be from the date of restoration. Just lift the bonnet for you so you can have a look under there. Reasonably clean and tidy. Recent hoses, looks like a recent radiator as well. That's certainly no nasty leaks or anything unpleasant. So there you have it. A really nice early example of an MGB in an unusual colour. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage, and thanks for watching.